Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Chevrolet Malibu LS. Under the hood we have a 1.5 liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in white, it looks great. You got that Chevrolet badging up front there with your projector style headlights right there. And coming around to the side here we do have our tires. Now they are a little bit frozen over, but they are Goodyear brand tires and they do have the 16-inch rims. You do also have your mirrors hanging out right there. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you do have your Chevrolet badging as well as the Malibu. You can open it up just right here. You got your backup camera right there, and lots of room back here as well. You do have those seats that fold forward as well, just with those buttons right there. And then you can fold this guy up, and underneath you do have your spare tire if you did ever need it. Got our keys here. We got our unlock, our lock. We have that one to open up the back, and our panic button right there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. Your handle, a little bit of handle there, and some storage down here with a place for a water bottle. Looks great in here as well, very spacious, and the seats are very comfortable as well. You do have the controls over your lights, so your auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams all right there, as well as your in-cabin light control here. And right up here we do have the controls over our high beams, as well as our turning signals, all right there. Let's start her up here, foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center there, it is telling us that there might be ice on the road. It does also tell us the temperature outside, as well as the gear that we're in. We do need to fill it up with some gas, but we can do that a little bit later. Now we do also have our speed right in the center there. We have our trip 1 and 2, fuel range, average vehicle speed, the timer, navigation, and then you can switch it around to your different vehicle options and your fuel economy and all those in there. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. As well, you have your windshield wipers right there. In the center, you do have your touchscreen display. It does look very nice. You do have your source right over here, so your AM, FM, USB, or your Bluetooth all in there. And when you are in reverse, you have that ever-useful backup camera keeping you nice and safe. Down here, you do have the home button, as well as your skips, your power, and the volume, as well, and your phone. And then down here we do have the power up and down for the climate control, front rear defrost, your mode, AC and circulation, and then temperature control. Some storage down there with your traction control. You have your gear shift here, and then right over here we do have our cup holder and a little bit of storage. And then in the center you have your armrest, doubles as a storage container, lots of room in there. And we do have our glove box right here with our owner's manual inside of it. And then up top you do have your OnStar options. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here, you got your handle, control over your windows, and a handle here. Looks fantastic back here. It does seat 3 people, so 5 altogether. You can fold this guy down. You got an armrest with some cup holders. As well, you can fold those seats forward, as I did show you earlier. There's our 1.5 liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Chevrolet Malibu LS. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.